From terrifying trees to spooky decor, Halloween is tomorrow, but there is still time to host that last-minute party.
Yes, and joining us with easy food and decor ideas is lifestyle expert Maggie Jackson. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, so this is fun. It's less than 24 hours, so we gotta hurry up.
Less than 24 hours away, but if you've decided that you would like to throw a last-minute Halloween party, you still have some options of I have some really easy ideas here for some food and decor that's not only simple, but it's also affordable.
Perfect. That's what we like to hear. Let's start with this, with spider web.
Let's start with what we're gonna snack on at our party, and I've put together this nacho dip with mostly Siete Foods ingredients, which is one of my favorite Mexican-American products. We have a layer of beans, we have a layer of their mild salsa, and then I picked up some guacamole in the deli section at Gelson, so you don't even have to make the guacamole if you're short on time. Grab some sour cream and do a piping to make a spider web. Add a little toy spider to make it really festive.
Yes, and I love how you put the tomatoes on the base.
Yes,
too.
It's all about presentation. So if you're short on time and you don't want to whip up a really elaborate recipe, do something that's simple but make it really fun and festive, and you'll impress your guests.
I love these.
These are witches' fingers with some fashionable red nail polish. Again, keep it simple. Pick up a thin crust cheese frozen pizza at the grocery store. Just slice it in really thin slices and arrange it on a beautiful platter. In the center, I put a jalapeno ranch dip to add a little kick and flavor. You can take a red bell pepper, cut it in triangles to make the fingernails. I used a little bit of marinara sauce for the adhesive. So this is something that kids and adults will love. That's so easy,
and it's
looks really great. Looks really great on your table. Thank you.
All right, the cake here, that's a lot of chocolate underneath that spider web.
Everyone's favorite part of a party is the dessert, and I made this so easy by going to the bakery section of Gelson's and picking up 3 brownies and layering them on top of each other. So this is a decadent dessert. I topped it with chocolate frosting, and then we wanted to add some spooky flair, so I melted some marshmallows, got 2 forks, and just spread it across. And wrapped it around. Yes, but it's so easy and easy to do. And then add a little toy spider, make it really,
the spider makes it for sure. Yeah, well, you got 3 on there.
Yes, yes, and they're sparkly, they're fun. But if you really don't want to do anything at all, Gelson's also has these super cute festive cookies for Halloween. That's a really great thank you gift for your guests if they come. You can send them home with some, some really nice Halloween cookies.
What's under here?
We are moving on to decor, and my recommendation is first look around your house for what you have, because sometimes, Halloween, they're all sold out the last minute. Let me show you what I've put under these adorable ghosts.
Oh, wow.
I have upcycled these guys. This is a apple juice container, or water. You can use apple juice. I have a smoothie bottle under here. Just go into your recycling, dig out some of the recyclables, and then I've added some twinkle lights that I've picked up at Michael's. They're great for every holiday for decorating. Added some flour sack towels on top. Some felt adhesive here. But you could also use construction paper. Really look around your house first and then get creative and think about what you can put together. But my kids love these. These will look amazing on your table. Put them on your shelves, but really adds to your Halloween party.
Yeah, or even on the patio.
Yes, on the patio. Yeah, especially because they'll glow in the dark, which will be really fun.
And what's our last little look here?
Nice floral arrangement.
Yes, so you need a centerpiece for your table. Again, look around your house. I got these branches outside. I snipped the branches, spray painted them black, got some black felt, created some bats, and now we have this really fun, simple centerpiece that I created.
Maggie, that's so creative.
Hardly had to spend any money at all to put that together.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then the witch's hat.
Yeah, so, well, I didn't make this, but I did pick it up at Michael's. That has, they have so many good Halloween decor, and that's a great place to go. But I did make one last little thing here. We have a ghost garland, if you can see in front, and I put that together with old curtain shears. I grabbed some cotton balls that I already had at my house. I tied a plastic elastic around the head, drew a face, and then there's no sewing involved. I used safety pins to pin it to the black ribbon.
Amazing.
This goes over your mantle. You can put it in front of your table. So now you're truly decked out for Halloween in a short amount of time without hardly spending any money.
Good job. High five.
All right, for more simple recipes and party ideas, go to Maggie's website. You can also follow her on Instagram as well as TikTok.